So what you want to do in this lab is use the force of the moving marble across the table to move a plow. So the materials that you'll need for this lab is a marble, some washers that are going to act as masses, a ruler, masking tape, a 5x8 note card, and a stopwatch. So in this lab, what we want to do is get some information about work. So think about the variables involved in work. Go to Physics Classroom and you can get some more information, some prior knowledge that you can bring into this lab. But here you can see we have a ruler propped up, and you may use your books or your notebooks to do that, and you can choose any angle that you wish. What's important here though is that we do not change the angle. This is going to be the variable that remains unchanged. So once you've decided on the angle, make sure you fix the ruler to your book or notebooks. Like so. Once you've attached the top, now you might want to put another piece of tape down at the bottom, and this will help ensure that the ruler hasn't moved. So after every few runs, make sure that the ruler is still in line with the mark that you made on the tape. Now you're going to pick a point on the ruler. Let's start at the top of the ruler and make sure you're picking the same place every time. And that's where you're going to release the marble. Now you might want to run a few trials of this and make sure that you're getting consistent data. You want to start at the same place every time for your trials. And so here you can see we're starting at the top. Once you're satisfied with the trials, the data that you've gotten from all the trials, now I want you to change the location at which you release the marble by 1 centimeter, as so. So you're going to use the index card to engineer a plow. In other words, your group is going to decide how you want to fold or manipulate the index card in such a way that you make a device that the marble can come in contact with and move. So in other words, the marble is going to roll down the incline plane at different heights, and it's going to move across the table, and it's going to hit your plow. And it's going to move your plow a certain distance that you will measure. Measure the distance that your index card moves with each trial, each run of the marble.